Alright, so we're here to prepare the core box today, and you're wondering probably why is the pattern white? Well, it's because you gotta use this thing called talcum powder, which is baby powder. The reason why you do is because this is called green sand, and it's very, very sticky. See? So, to make it not stick to the pattern and make it so that the pattern wants to come out nicely, you put that around it. But before you do put that around it, for example, you take the pattern, you put coating or stain, and then you sprinkle it down. Now, you can, if you want, that's totally up to you, but I did, is you sand it first. That way it smooths out the edges, because you don't want edges on your pattern. You put edges on your pattern, what happens is the green sand sticks to it. And when the green sand sticks to it and you go to cast it, then you'll have all these little blemishes on there and it won't look right. You'll be frustrated. So we put the top on it, like so. Now I don't have any pins, so I'm using the drill bit in here. Now this right here, this is called a screw. That piece of brass right there is connected to the pattern, and the reason why it's connected to the pattern is that way when the fluid goes down, it's going to make that sharp left right to the pattern, and then it's going to fill up. So we're going to put the rest of the sand in here. Fill this all up. Now, pack her down. You pack her down with whatever you got on hand. Nail, screw, whatever you got. This stuff is messy, so if you don't like messes, I would suggest you wear gloves. Definitely wash up before you go and touch anything else, because this stuff will stick on everything, just like red Southern Kentucky dirt. I might be able to get away with pouring it directly on top of here without using this part here. Maybe. I don't know. We'll see how well the pattern wants to actually come out. comes out nicely, we can do it. If not, well, we'll just use that. That'll be alright. Better to have options anyways when doing this stuff. To me, it looks like I should have built a bigger core box, taller, but that's only wood I had on hand. And we'll make it work. Okay. That looks pretty good right there. Now this is the moment of truth right here. Will this come out nicely? And no. No, it did not. Well, that's a little disappointing, but I still think we could salvage this. Just need to. Here's a piece of brass. Let's see if we can pull this pattern out without busting it up. Okay. Mm-mm. 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 Mm-hmm. There we go. Now we got a little detailing to do right here. So. Oh boy. Looks like it broke off a little bit. Yep, it did. Well, I think that'll be salvageable. Yeah, I think I'll be alright. Get you guys in here. See how this edge here broke out? You really don't want that. That edge is right here. So I can either A, make another one, or for all YouTube purposes, try it out, see what happens. But definitely gonna put this back on top, and once I do that, it should be relatively whole, and then it should be fine. That's all I have for tonight. If you guys like this content, please give a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Later.